In this video, we're going to show you how to install the purge valve solenoid on your Dodge Ram, located right down here in your engine compartment. Now this electrical connector right here has a red locking clip on it and it needs to get pushed out and away. What I like to do is just use a small flathead screwdriver on the edge right there and push on the back side right here, helping that lock clip release. Once that's fully released, you can now depress this little clip right here. Use that flathead screwdriver just to help put it in and twist slightly. Help you to disconnect that connector. Ours was full of dirt. These two vacuum hoses right here, I want to go ahead and pull those off the bottom. So go ahead and grab those there. I want to slide those off. Now on the front side of the canister, there's going to be a little release clip on here. This is locked onto a metal bracket. So what you want to go down and grab that with your thumb or your finger and pull it towards the passenger side. Once that's released, pull the solenoid towards the front of the vehicle. So pinch and pull. So here's a little clip right here. You're going to be pushing in on this, releasing this lock tab. Once you push in on that, you can pull the unit off of the metal bracket. I'm going to go ahead and take the unit. I'm going to slide this unit onto the metal bracket down below. And push it on and it'll lock into place. Once you have the unit locked into place here, you can go ahead and install your vacuum tubes. Now those are joined together, so it makes it pretty simple to line that up and push that in. Make sure those are fully seated. Install your electrical connector. And simply line that up. Push that in. You'll feel it snap into place. Once you feel that snap into place, go ahead and reach in there and pull that lock tab back over and on. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.